Alright, this video is just to show you something real quick about the gas on this Chevy Express van. So if you park downhill or uphill and you're not really low on gas, it's gonna mark you low on gas, and then you just take off and go, and it's not gonna come up to level. So let's say basically I'm up to level right now, but if I just keep the truck on D, you know, that gauge is not gonna move. So I'm still in the same place. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on neutral and watch the needle is gonna go up, the gas needle, and then the light should go off. Cause it should, yeah, you see right there, it went off. So it's going up to wherever the level should be, and then I can put it back on D. And it's good. So just bring the car up to level, put it on neutral, or if you're driving, just put it on neutral driving, but just be careful, don't put it on R, gonna blow your transmission. And then the needle is gonna come back up to normal, and then you know for sure how much gas you have, how far you can go. All right.